Hey everybody, it's Pamela Moreira here, coming to you from Virginia. Welcome to the Money Channel. Today I am reviewing Paradise by Glenn Kosky. This is a brand new traffic app, software, and affiliate website done for you. We're going to go over the what Paradise is and what it does for you. We're going to go over all the upsells, the prices. We're going to go over the bonuses, have awesome bonuses for you. If you pick up Paradise via my link, you'll find that down in the description. I'm going to show you the sales page, and I'm going to take you inside the members area and show everything to you. All right, so if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified every time I put out a video just like this. So here we go. This is Paradise. Breakthrough push button system pays $37.63 every time we switch on the free traffic. All right, so what is Paradise all about? It's an all-in-one system, includes 100 powerful traffic sources at your fingertips, making $500 per day. All-inclusive done-for-you income system. 100% beginner-friendly, zero overhead costs. You keep 100% of the profits. Free buyer traffic from over 100 built-in sources. Self-monetizing set and forget system. It's a high-paying affiliate offers built into the system. You zero tech skills or experience needed. There's no maintenance needed. It's a 4-figure per day training from a top super affiliate, and that would be Glenn. You don't need an email list or paid traffic. There's also a 6-month no questions asked money back guarantee, and they'll also coach you one-on-one if you're failing at this. So let's get into the prices and the upsells. And I'll let you know there are coupons on every single one of these upsells. So all you have to do to get the coupon is swipe up like you're going to close the page, and a coupon will drop down. So that'll save you some money. The front end Paradise is the early bird price is $17, and there's a coupon on that. I believe it's $3. The first upsell is the unlimited version. $67. You can get it for $37. And let's see, we have the upsell number 2, 100% done for you at $97 with a coupon for $47. Upsell number 3 is unlimited traffic for $97. You can get that for $47. Upsell number 4 is a complete automation system, $67 with a coupon for $37. Upsell number 5 is the ATM edition. That's $197 or $47 worth of coupon. Upsell number 6 is the Ultimate Edition for $197 or $47. And the last upsell, number 7, is the license rights for $67 or $37. So that pretty much tells you what you're going to find when you go to purchase Paradise. Here are some of the key benefits. Enjoy evergreen payments of $37 over and over. Free buyer traffic. 300 plus traffic sources in one platform. Early users are seeing great results. It's perfect for struggling beginners. Brand new tech for 2022. Works on all devices, including phones. You can work from home. You can quit your job, travel, and enjoy life. Stop failing and finally break through. No monthly fees ever. Free coaching if you fail at this. Sounds great, right? All right. Now, you can pick this up via my link in the description. And if you do that, you'll be able to jump on all those bonuses. Speaking of bonuses, let's go over what I have for you. Today, we are looking at an tutorial for Fuego Breakout from Jono Armstrong. Bonus number 2 is a tutorial where you learn how to build your Facebook following fast from Jono Armstrong. Bonus number 3 is a tutorial. It shows you how to make an app in less than 25 minutes by Jono Armstrong. And then we have this awesome bonus, which is a tutorial, a massive tutorial, which is access to the ClickBank Mastery course. This right here is worth more than anything else you're going to get when you pick up Paradise via my link. Okay, and then of course bonus number 5, all the vendors bonuses, and we've got some pretty special bonuses for you. Okay, now I'm going to have you take a look at the sales page. Well, I was going to, but here we are at the members area. All right, so the sales page you'll see when you go to buy it. How about that one? Because I closed it. So it is what it is. Anyway, this is the Paradise members area. This is the dashboard. And you over here on the left, you have the dashboard, tutorials, the products that are already in here, your product affiliate links, site settings, free traffic, upgrades if you did not buy them already, upgrade membership, and then support. Over here on the right, there's another menu. Takes you to your profile, your integrations, like for your autoresponder, and more tutorials over here. And you can also sign out. Now right here, it says visit your site. Now this is a website that you are getting with this. And this is what it looks like. It's already pre-made. You do have the ability to go in and customize it. If you just get the front end, I believe you just get these 6 products right here. That they're product reviews. If you click on it, it's a review there, and people can buy it from you. You put in your affiliate links, and you would do that. Well, let's go to products. All right, they have preloaded 18 products for you with reviews that you can sell on your site. So there's all of those. And then you come over here to product affiliate links. Sorry, my computer's kind of slow. And what you do here is you go to Warrior Plus, request your affiliate link there, and then you come back and put it in here. See that? You would go to the link, it takes you to Warrior Plus, then you come back, you put your affiliate link in here, and you just save it with that button. And that attaches it to the product, so when people click on it to buy the product, you will get a commission. That's how that works. Site settings, this is how you would edit your website. You can change the pictures, you can delete it, put another picture, about me, bonus redemption email. You definitely want to offer bonuses on your products. You can add a bonus inside of Warrior Plus to each and every product, which will entice your customers to purchase. Or you can leave it like this, just go in and personalize it. Well, you kind of, you need to, like this right here. This is like a little ad about the site disclaimer, homepage settings, your mission statement. This is all done for you. Headlines, subheadlines, all this stuff is done for you. This right here, your social links, you definitely want to put this in so people can go to your social sites and check you out. Gets that know, like, and trust working for you. Then you have your integrations, your autoresponders. They hook up to a bunch of different autoresponders, so probably would use anybody that you're already using. And then you just hit save changes down here, and everything populates to your site right away. There's no waiting period. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. And here you got your free traffic. Sorry, my computer's so slow. Please watch this video first. This right here is the vendor. His name is Glenn Koski. Have a hard time saying his name for some reason. He is talking about on this video sending 1 to 200 of his best email buyer traffic to your link of your choice, if you bought that upgrade. Then you have register for the affiliate traffic lab, viral news jacker, tube traffic machine, and more free traffic here, and more traffic training here. And this is where he's talking about submit your link for free traffic. When you're ready, fill in the form, get your free clicks from the hottest pool of traffic. Let's see here. Traffic guide is right here. You can download that. And then download your bonuses here. Access to the product vault and zero cost business startup guide. So pretty good bonuses there too. And if you didn't pick up the upgrades, you can do that here. You can upgrade your membership here. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to try to hook up the demo video for you and see what happens. I hope it will work for me. I tried to do it last week and I couldn't get it to hook up. So anyway, that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to all so you'll get notified the next time I put out a video just like this. Thanks, guys. Bye.